Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox error 264. So firstly what you have to do is just simply open up the browser which you use to launch a Roblox game. Just simply open that browser. Then in that particular browser just simply go to the three dots icon over here, then go to settings, then over here go to reset and clean up. Then just simply click restore settings to the original default. Then just simply click reset settings. So after doing that, what you have to do is just simply open your search box over here and search %temp then again %. Then just simply press enter and open this particular folder. So after the folder is opened, just simply hold Ctrl plus A to select all the files in this particular folder. Then just press Shift plus Delete to delete all the folders at once. Then press yes. Then just simply check this box. Then just simply once click on try again. If it still appears, just simply check this box and press skip. Do this again as many times it may come. After doing that, just simply close the window. After doing this, just simply restart your Windows once. After restarting the Windows, if you still have that issue, what you have to do is just simply right click on your network over here, network correction, then go to network and internet settings. Then just simply scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Then again scroll down and click on more network adapter option. Now over here just simply choose whichever way you use the internet, either Wi-Fi or direct LAN cable. So for me it's LAN cable. I will just simply right click on that and then open properties. You can do the same thing for Wi-Fi as well, it will open the same thing. So in internet what you have to do is just simply go to the IPv protocol 4. Now over here just simply click on use the following DNS server address. Simply choose this option. Now you have to enter the Google DNS server. So that is 8.8.8.8 and down here 8.8.4.4. Then check this box over here and then press OK. Then press again OK. And now let the changes take place. Then just simply press close. Now just simply search for CMD in your search panel. Then click on run as administrator. Simply click yes. Now just simply write ipconfig then just give a space, then a backslash, then just simply write flush DNS. Then just simply press enter. And after doing all of this, just simply write exit. And then just simply enter. And after that, just simply again restart your Windows. And after doing this, your problem should definitely be fixed. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.